The Subaru Impreza III uses a different oil life system compared to newer vehicles. Unlike modern cars with advanced sensors, this model relies on a simple mileage-based timer rather than a true oil life sensor. The system tracks mileage and time, illuminating the oil light approximately every 7,500 miles when using conventional oil, or every 6 months, whichever comes first. This serves as a maintenance reminder. Regular resets after oil changes are essential to maintain accurate timing and ensure proper vehicle maintenance, preventing potential engine issues. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. The trip odometer should display the remaining oil life as a percentage or mileage countdown. If not, cycle the ignition key to access this display. Now that the oil life is displayed, press and hold the trip reset button on the instrument cluster for 5 to 10 seconds. The oil light will flash, and the oil life should reset to 100%. Some Impreza 3 models may require a slightly different approach for the reset. Try holding the reset button while turning the key to the start position briefly, then back to on while still holding the reset button. This may trigger the reset. After attempting the reset, turn the ignition completely off, then turn it back on. Check that the oil light has turned off and the oil life display now shows 100% or a fresh mileage count. Important safety considerations. Always reset the oil life monitor only after performing an actual oil change. Use Subaru-approved oil, such as 0W20 synthetic, for optimal engine performance and extended service intervals. Ignoring resets can lead to premature engine wear and costly repairs. Also, it is preferable to perform the reset when the vehicle is parked and in park or neutral position. While the Impreza 3 lacks advanced digital integration, modern alternatives like OBD2 scanners and smartphone apps can enhance oil life monitoring. OBD2 scanners connect to your vehicle's diagnostic port for detailed engine data. Apps such as Torque Pro or Blue Driver offer real-time insights and can sometimes perform resets electronically. These tools complement the manual reset process by providing more comprehensive information. Always consult your vehicle's manual or a professional for model-specific details, and if issues persist, consult a Subaru dealer.